Did you know you can send external data into HighLevel automatically using webhooks? Is it possible to send external data from things like apps and websites that aren't in HighLevel into HighLevel automatically using workflows? We can do this using inbound webhooks. Inbound webhooks allow us to keep our HighLevel CRM as our single source of truth by bringing all of our data from all of our other platforms into HighLevel using these webhooks. We can set these up inside of a workflow by clicking Create Workflow and starting from scratch inside of our sub account and adding our inbound webhook trigger. We can find this by searching inbound webhook. And then once we configure this event by utilizing this URL, we can send information here from other platforms to have it automatically brought inside of HighLevel. Let me show you an example. Here we have an app built outside of HighLevel that allows our customers to submit support tickets by clicking New Ticket. But we want this information once customers submit their email, category, and issue to go straight into HighLevel. And we can do this using an inbound webhook. All we have to do is go to our inbound webhook action, copy our URL here, plug this into our backend in whatever software we have. This is our software that manages that support ticketing. We'll paste in our webhook URL, click save, and then once a customer submits their support ticket with their email, category, and issue, then this data immediately gets sent over to HighLevel, and we can find this by clicking Fetch Sample Requests and selecting our payload. There's our request that just came from our support ticketing software. We can save this trigger. It will immediately create a contact with that customer's information from our support ticket using our field and selecting our custom value from our support ticket by going to ticket and then customer email. And we can save and create contacts and then manage all of that data right in HighLevel by utilizing those inbound webhooks. Inbound webhooks are probably one of the most powerful parts of HighLevel automations, especially when you're building it to play with other systems like other CRMs, other apps, and even websites that you've created yourself outside of the platform. So if you're using any external systems along with HighLevel, be sure to use inbound webhooks in order to send that information straight to your CRM to keep everything in one place. As always, if you have any questions about webhooks, feel free to leave a comment. And of course, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.